Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are back with another video. And today we're gonna do the slime factory. Let me show you. This is the slime factory. Inside it contains this slime set, I don't know. These slime containers, they are the same as my other video. And the slime stuff, the slime powders, glitters and stuff. Some other slime tools and the instruction. Now, we are gonna put all the stuff here. And as I see here, we have lots of things. We can make more than 10 slimes because it has more than 10 powders. We have confetti glitters that we're gonna put here. And this is the mixing thing. These are some decorations we can put inside our slimes, and here are the containers. And of course, the stickers. Now we're gonna make a yellow slime with this yellow powder. Now I poured the yellow powder in, as you can see. And now we're gonna put some water. Now I put the water in, and we're just gonna mix a little bit with the spoon so everything from down goes up. And then we're gonna put this thing here so we can mix it, the mixer. Now let's start to mix. For 2 minutes. Guys, I just changed background because I thought I saw the video and it was kind of too dark. So here we are, and we kind of made the slime right now. It's yellow, and yeah. And now we're gonna put the glitter in. Oh my god, it sticked all over. Guys, you've got to also leave it for like 5 minutes outside because it's gonna be sticky as mine. And you don't want that. And guys, sorry about the background noises. It's just my little brother, he's crying. And now we're gonna put some glitter in. This is the glitter that I chose. It's golden. Now let's pour. Let's put it back. And now let's mix it. And we will see if it needs more glitter or not. But right now, I'm loving it. Guys, look at that. This looks so nice. I think we should put some more glitter. Just a little bit more. Just to make it more shiny. Okay, like that. Now it's perfect. Guys, I am loving it. And guys, this is the result. Now let's put the stickers on. And now here is the final result. I'm gonna write also those stuff. And here is my slime. It's yellow. It's a bit hard to take it off. And we put a mermaid. It has a lot of glitter. And yeah, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and click the notification bell right there. And bye.